Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. Miss Echo International Philippines 2025 Alexi Brooks is currently in Iloilo for her much-anticipated homecoming. Alexi, who recently clinched the prestigious title, has returned to a warm and enthusiastic welcome from her fellow Iloilo residents. Her visit includes a series of events celebrating her achievement and her contributions to environmental advocacy. Local officials, supporters, and fans have organized various activities, including a grand parade, meet and greet sessions, and visit to local eco-friendly projects. Alexi's homecoming is not only a celebration of her victory but also an opportunity to inspire and engage the community in environmental conservation efforts. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!